Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader, and today it's only me. Marie is not here today, so let's see how we do. Today is officially the first trading day of this 2026. Happy New Year to everybody. Happy New Year. I hope everybody's doing good. I hope everybody's having a good time. What's up, Zach? How are you doing? You are right there, my guy. So, yeah, it's only you and I. Marie is not here today. So, oui, allô?
Bonjour.
Ça va bien?
Bien, toi?
Très bien, très bien.
New Year, my buddy.
Happy New Year, my friend. That's the first trading year of the day. The first trading day of the year. Yeah, it's pretty good stuff, you know. Let's see this market, what it wants to do today. Is it going to be a day of pumping, do you think?
Looks choppy.
Looks choppy. Aye, aye, aye.
Like, not choppy, but rangy.
Rangy, okay.
I performed good in those days, so I won't complain.
Nice. Yeah, so
Like
yeah.
the top of the pre-market was on my range,
Mhm.
and it just touched my other range, bounce.
Okay. So let's see if we have any news today, just to make sure. Like I have a trading open already, so but like we're gonna let it go whatever we want to do. And
So you got back in Nvidia, or it was the same?
that's the same one. Right, I don't remember. Was that the day I sold it and I was trading some? No, that's the same. Yeah, it was the day before that I sold it and I bought it back, but that's the same. Yeah, I don't see much news. We have S&P Global Manufacturing PMI, the final, and that's gonna be at 9:45. But more than that, I don't see anything else. So yeah, let's see how we do. Microsoft is not doing good, so I'm just gonna probably go out of Microsoft very soon. So market just opened right there. It's why my alarm didn't ring. Gonna be late.
Ooh la la, ooh la la.
Yeah, that's a pretty nice push. So pretty nice push. So I didn't have time to look at the levels, though that was the next thing I was going to do. So do you have any trade idea from the good to go or not yet?
Not yet. I'm just gonna wait a bit.
Okay.
Looks really looks to have a lot of volume.
Yeah.
How much?
Like SPY right now he does have very high volume. So
Do you have the number?
the number, yeah, I can tell you right now. Right now, SPY the volume for today is 2,370,000, but it's ramping up quite fast.
Mm-hmm.
The threshold that we or the checkpoint that we do is the first 15 minutes. So we need to wait for that to be, but like it seems to be extremely high volume right now. So, well, extremely high volume, very high to what we normally see. So yeah, if the 15 minutes is above 3 million share, we consider it high volume. The threshold is at 3 million. Yeah, I last a little bit longer to answer to you about the skating because I was asking Marie and I wanted to see, I wanted her to confirm before. But right after she replied that time was good, I say, okay, let me just reply to Zach. But yeah, that's a good time for me, I think. And if it's for you, well, we do it. This year, my guy, one of my goals is to, it's not a resolution, but it's one of my goals is to take more partials everywhere. It's like, that was the hiccup of last year, like pretty much 100% of the time.
Ooh la la. Celebrate.
Yeah, I don't have SPY expectations to go too low, though I'm gonna go out of Microsoft. Just like it doesn't really worth it to like Microsoft is supposed to bounce right there. I know it may bounce right there, but like it just out of prudency, I'm gonna be out of it. And if I see hold, I can try to get it back. But like I don't even know why I don't want to trade Microsoft anymore. So Tesla, let's give it a little shot to Tesla right there. Well, not right there. I'm putting a limit order. So my limit order is at a technical price. Let's see if we get it or not. Okay, I got some Tesla there, right there. So I don't think it's gonna hold. It's just it worth it. It worth the trial. So what is your point of interest for a SPY? Let's say. Like what level are you looking at that you would like to go long, or something like that, or short?
Like right now it's in a level, but it looks like it's gonna break it.
You have like 685.06.
684, 64.
All right. The VAH for me is at 685.06. Tesla is holding decent enough that might be good. Let's see.
So my level is pretty good. I might try a little.
There we go. We are back in the money on Google as well.
Nice. Oh, a lot.
No, not a lot. It's just
$5.
yeah, something like that. Yeah, we are $5 in the money. My target is like 334, something like that. Had the order in already. Unfortunately, probably after I get out of that trade, it's gonna be Tesla, like for the swing trade. Because Microsoft is a good choice. It's just that Microsoft is like that stock is always sleeping, so I kind of don't want to overwhelm my luck on that one. So I'm just gonna put the stop loss for Tesla to make sure I don't take a bigger loss than what I want. Okay, I have my stop loss in Tesla. I don't have to think about it. If it doesn't work, it's not my cheat. But yeah, I'm gonna be taking partial very soon on Nvidia. There we go. My guy, are you looking at the channel by any chance? Look at my mug. Like, I have the new trader coffee mug.
Nice. Yeah, was it a Christmas gift?
Yeah, one of them. All right, so I'm gonna crack a little I just need some partial right there. That's for Nvidia. That's fantastic. That's the way to begin the year.
Here comes the money.
So I won't add for now. I will wait to see what he wants to do. If we get back to the VWAP, probably I will be adding more. But I'm gonna wait for it to really get extended toward the downside, which does I don't have a lot of hope for that to happen because we see a lot of things pumping up. What's up, Marie? How are you doing today?
Hello.
Hey, that's the boss there in the chat, you know.
Mm-hmm.
She just
Okay,
came to see like thank you, Marie. She just came to see like how are my guys doing? Like you know, like do I have to pull David's ears when I come back? I'm kidding, Marie. I'm kidding.
Ooh la la, man. On the footprint, I just saw the biggest bear level, but it's not holding.
What is it?
32.5 thousand.
Oh my gosh.
Like, and the biggest after is 4,000.
Oh, I see. Like I have a level there actually.
I put a limit at 684.18.
Mhm.
That's the same. Like, you broke the first level,
Mhm.
then it's gonna. I think it's gonna go test.
Okay. Tesla is
Second
about to
one.
get me out very soon.
You too.
There we go. I'm gonna be out of Tesla in a minute. I add to Nvidia again, and it didn't hold that good, but like let's see.
So I marked the big selling pressure level.
Okay, what is it if you don't mind?
It's a low range from 685.15 to 685.10.
So it's like a 5 cents range.
Yeah, because my footprint, I set it at 5 cents.
Okay. All right, all right. Okay, Tesla got me out. Yeah, SPY's not looking good right now.
I got a small long on my level.
Mm-hmm. I'm breaking even for Nvidia, so if you get me out, I am not taking the like I lost. So, but I'm breaking even there. I already took partial. I had where I thought it was going to hold. It didn't hold, and now I will see if we come back above the 191. 191 is my ideal price for it to for me to know that it will go higher or not. But yeah, let's see.
So my strategy now is to look at the footprint to know if I had more. Because now I have a half of position.
Mm-hmm.
I want to do more and more of that.
Look at you.
But now I move so much that I'm gonna be worse. I will have a worse price. I don't know. Let's see.
I don't know, but in my opinion, the RSI on SPY is a little bit too low. Like for me to be looking short, it's extremely low. The RSI
Short or long?
is low, but the reason why I wouldn't be looking short It's because like any spike from there, it could be quite violent toward the upside, even if it's fake.
Yeah, but I'm long, you know.
Okay, you're low. Okay. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I want to take. What did I press? I didn't press anything. Okay, good. So let's see if I want to take Tesla back.
Oh, I'm buying more. I'll be adding.
Nice.
My guy. 9,000 volume down, the candle moving aggressively up. Freaking bullish line. With half my position, I'm printing quite good.
Nice. Are you willing to partial? Like, are you partialing or what?
Go wait a bit. Maybe at the 150. Can I get out of my like using limit as stop orders? You can do that.
No. Like yes, but they work different. Like if you use a limit order, you are putting the price where below.
Okay, I'll use just a stop.
Because like, for example, like a stop order, it works like the limit stop work the opposite than the stop. So like either of them they work. You just have to know if you are putting the price above or below. Like if you are putting the price below the actual price, the stop loss has to be a stop limit. But if you are putting the price above, it could be a regular limit order.
Yeah, above it can be a limit.
Yes. Ooh la la, SPY is like saying, no, we're gonna break through again your level right now.
I took partial. Okay, so it went through the big level.
Yeah, that. When I say that was the one I was looking at. Look at that.
Look at that bounce on my bottom level. Ooh, the wick. My entry is on a wick. Like the lowest possible price I could get. Okay, now I practice my holding power.
You are green already, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So but yeah, like there's the big order and VWAP to break the big level to break.
Thank you, Marie. Thank you.
Thank you.
We are breaking the system today. I'm kidding. We are just doing good. Oh, la 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 la. Oh, la 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 la.
Voila, I like it. My guy, I had half my position. Imagine if I had the full.
Have you ever made 20R in one trade? No.
No.
That day is gonna come, you know. And then you're
I
gonna.
take partial too soon. Ooh la la la.
Yeah, but you have reasons to take partial that soon. Your reasons to take partial that soon is that you don't want to. What the heck? I had an order for Tesla. Oh, I never got there. Okay. Yeah, like the reason why you see me doing stupid things like holding overnight and things like that is just because I have money that I can risk on that because of the lately like the last 2 months they have been just fantastic. So, but like if I don't have that cushion, I wouldn't be willing to hold.
I took partial at the top of the day.
Oh my
In case.
gosh.
One little partial. But I still have.
Have fun, Marie. Have fun. He's going to skate now. Well, the guys are going to skate and they play.
Technically, with half my position, I'm the 4 hours.
Oh my gosh.
I'll send you the picture of the entry. Look at that. I'll just put a line on TradingView. Or I can send you the.
You know, we don't consider the market being extended until the SPY reach 700. Do you know that? Like, or do you look at it that way?
No.
Because right now people are sick of the price that is 680, 690. That price is not to stay there, you know. Man, freaking Google.
I send you a picture. If you see the lower line where my stop loss is, is the is my entry.
No, it's that. Let's see. Oh, it's true. I have to whenever like because I don't keep my data open because sometimes I forget and like maybe watching YouTube or something. Every time that you send me a picture, I have to turn on the data. Oh, you haven't arrived yet, even.
It's going. You'll see my guy, I think it's the best entry in a long time. Like, you cannot get better. It's like that. So since I have that entry, I can practice to hold longer, let's say.
Nice.
Ooh la la.
Yeah, I know.
Holy my guy, just breaking everything. You see SPY?
Yeah, I have it in another. Actually, I have it on my main chart, and I have Tesla and Nvidia. Tesla shake me out, but it's okay. Google is making me excited too, you know. It's,
like you see, I took two share partial out of 5 at VWAP. That's too soon.
Yeah, like that's way too soon, but at the same time, like it was good money, no? Like
yeah, like that partial was to get me flat on the day because I got stepped out a bit before.
Okay.
I'm pretty good.
Nice. I want to see Nvidia at 194, so we are not there yet.
That's bearish. I see a lot of
yeah, but like this is a textbook line. Didn't you say, and I'm gonna take your words here, didn't you say that SPY had the biggest size that you have ever seen in here?
Where?
Like at between the level that you gave me here with the lines I put here, didn't you say that was the biggest size toward the downside that you saw before?
Yeah, 30.
And what it
30.
did? Look at that candle.
Mm-hmm.
They are not cheating around that, you know. So like.
Yeah, but on that candle right now, the 5-minute candle, on the top, it was a 212K volume
Okay.
up, and it didn't hold. And it's on my low volume node level.
Mm-hmm.
That's a reversal point, maybe, but or just pull back.
Okay. Oh yeah, I see your chart. Then like, look at you, my guy. You're getting good at this. But you seems to have a level below that, right? I know that's the stochastic. I got it.
Mhm. But for real, on my trading view, there was a low volume node level. It touched right onto it.
Nice.
So that's really bearish. Where I'm seeing it on the footprint. The delta is 60K positive, but the candle is red. Candle is green.
Yeah, that the candle from the VWAP is a little bit too big, so I will assume we want to keep going higher.
Mhm.
So, of course, I'm taking zero risk on the trade on the Nvidia. I'm already breaking even, as I say. Maybe this pullback is gonna offer me an entry for Tesla one more time.
But when I see it's bearish, it's not. It's like short term bearish.
Okay.
Because I know you're looking at more the long trade.
Mm-hmm.
Like let's say it was a sign of weakness there. Oh, but Google went to 22.
Yeah.
I really think Google is gonna win the AI race. Some money ready to go. I would put it in Google.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised.
I want to start a Celiap. But the thing is, you need to invest in it. But like investing in SPY on a Celiap is not smart because you're gonna put it out in like 4 years, 5 years.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you need to be risky, but not too risky because like tax-free money and things like that. So don't know where to invest. Maybe like companies like Google would be good.
Yeah, like
I
whatever.
feel like Aurora, it's too small of a range. Like I don't have enough time.
Yeah. Probably you can do like as I'm doing with my student trade account. That is only the max 7.
Mhm.
Like I can tell you, I have been tempted to take something else.
I could follow your max 7 trade.
Yeah, for sure. And like we're gonna do better. It's for sure.
Put
Because
stop loss in there.
no, I don't put the stop loss in those. Because
Like if I were to trade Tesla, I would maybe put a stop loss.
like I try to avoid Tesla. Sometimes, like for example, right now, and that's why you hear me saying, unfortunately, like I say, if I get out of Google because it hit my target, it's unfortunately gonna be Tesla that I'm gonna have to buy. Why? Because it's the one that is right there. Another one that I could be buying right now is Apple, but I have to look at it because Apple had like a downside of about $10. Last time I look at it, yeah,
Yeah, it's up a lot.
yeah.
Oh, no, not that much.
No, it's $4. Like right now, my best price for Apple, if I'm not mistaken, I can take a look at it. But I think the best price for Apple was at $264. But what I'm saying is like because you asked me about the stop loss. Whenever I'm wrong in one of the Mark 7, I kind of just that money stay trapped in there. I didn't like to use that term because I think it's inefficient. But when it's a swing trade like that, to me it makes sense, and that's what I try to hold. Like I mean, or like I'm expecting easy like a 50% pullback, and I still supposed to be okay because it is a Max 7. But that I have been lucky that have never happened. But you know, you have to be aware.
Like, that's the thing I'm not very comfortable in the City app having.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, especially because like a silly like what you're gonna like the cash out of that is like what per year about?
Or like, it's when I buy a house.
Yeah.
So, minimum like 4 years. Maybe.
Mm-hmm.
And it's deductible right now, and then when you cash out, there's no tax.
Yeah.
The best of both worlds.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Like a mix of the silly and the other one.
RSP.
Hmm?
RSP or TFSA?
Yeah, it's a mix of those two, TFSA and RSP. I thought. Like there's one that is deductible right now, but you pay taxes on your gain when you pull it out. There's the TFSA, you don't pay taxes on your gain, but you pay taxes right now. That's a mix of those two.
In the TFSA, you don't pay taxes right now. What happens is that the money that you bring there have been already taxed.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's not deductible this year.
Exactly.
Celiac is. Did you know that?
No, I didn't know that. But like, it will make sense because like you know the RESP, which is for students. Like for example, I have for my daughters, I have for each one, I have RESP, and like the money I put there is tax deductible as well.
Yeah.
So I guess it's something like that. Like the Celiac, I only know it because of you. Like you were the one that mentioned that to me.
Mhm.
But it's pretty cool. Like you know, like basically you get the money in without being taxed, right?
Yeah, like if I put 8,000, like I think it's 8,000 the maximum
Mm-hmm.
each year on a maximum of 40K.
Yeah, it's a cumulative.
Mm-hmm. So if I put 8K this year, which I won't, but let's say I put it, my salary is down by 8K.
Okay.
And for me, it's like big because I don't make a lot,
Yeah.
and I already take off a lot of.
RSP.
I get paid like the taxes. Every year I get a lot of taxes back,
Okay. Yeah.
but then I'll get like more this year. Let's say if I put some.
Yeah, but like it's cool because you have like a plan kind of like.
Mm-hmm.
So like to buy your first house, that's gonna be like easy peasy for you if you start doing that.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you get your first house, you have like a lot of leverage,
Or credit.
Yeah, but credit that you basically don't pay much interest on. But you have to be smart about it because some people like is like, I mean, I know, and I know, like, I don't have to tell you this because you are already like very careful on that thing. But it's very common that people go and they buy like a new car.
Yeah,
Or
because you pay it for 35 years. So.
yeah, and like those are not good investments when you do that. Like if it is from leverage that you got for your house, because like those are goods that are in depreciation thing. But if you are
But
buying, like let's say you are buying like a asset that is bringing you more money with that money, then you have a good idea there.
like something that like I already talked with my dad like that. Right?
Mm-hmm.
The only thing that could be good to buy a car is if you buy a car on your house, then you have to pay it for 35 years, but you pay it in 7 years. That's it. You pay more on each payment
Mm-hmm.
just to clear that. So now you paid your car in 7 years, the max number for, but with low interest.
Yeah.
But you have to be really, really disciplined for that.
Yeah, it's like what I used to do, like I don't used to do. I do it now. Like those things that I want to pay earlier, like I have auto deposits to them, so I don't even have to think about it. It's like whenever I sit down and I made the plan about it, like this is how fast I want to pay it, if I can afford it, let's say. So I just put the auto deposit, and it's like I don't have to even think about it. But that, that's part of the problems.
So big selling pressure on the top.
Yeah, I see. Like a big pullback everywhere, pretty much. SPY is holding better than the rest, which is weird, but yeah.
Do you think it's a reversal or it will go higher, or should I hold my share? Because it's kind of a lot of profit right now.
And your entry is the same yet. So basically, let me see.
Or I could add on the pullback.
Yeah, if you add, then you're gonna be under pressure.
Yeah.
So, but let me see. Your average price is. Yeah,
684.17.
Yeah, my guy. If I were you, I will be holding. But the problem is like, you have to have an exit. Like, I mean, a clear out. Like, let's say you are saying you're gonna hold. Like, this is like a shot to the moon, and you wanna be all out. And then, like, I will ask you there, like, if you are willing to really hold that, 688 will be an out. Like, let's say my first target will be 688, but if I really don't care about what it does, I will put my target at 691.
Okay. Sure you will get there?
The 688, I think yes. The 691 is a little bit more, you have to be a little bit more lucky on that one. Like, for example, I am doing the same thing here. Like, I am breaking even on Nvidia, and I don't want to take a partial until it get to 194. Is it for sure that you're gonna get to 194? No, but it has a higher probability.
You wouldn't move your stop loss to strategic point closer to the price?
No, the reason why I wouldn't do that is because, like, with the type of move that we have today, it's very easy that it will swung and like get you out. But like to get you out, like for example, and I'm gonna talk about your trade here, but like I don't want you to blame me if it doesn't work because
Mhm.
it's really a probability thing. Like it doesn't work all the time. But like let's say with the price you have, like you have even better price than what I have for my Nvidia, let's say right now. So, but the price you have is such a good price that you should be able to be encouraged, like brave with the trade and say, you know what, uh, like for it to get you out, you really have to be wrong 100% of the time.
Mhm.
So like
I think
basically,
I'm gonna get a bit more out, then let run like one share or something
okay,
for that. To have like a 2 hour profit and then
mm-hmm. But like for sure, like with time, it's like you're gonna know exactly where you feel comfortable doing that or doing the other thing. Like for example, right now, Nvidia have a size at 191 that I have to say. My question is like, why this thing is not going lower? Well, it's not going lower because they are selling the crap out of it right there. Like the buyers are just absorbing all that. So for a SPY, a price to check will be 685.70. Between 685.70 and 685.50, there is a decent chunk of buyers. So are they gonna be able to hold? Well, that's the question. Yeah, I see. He prints 685.71 by the penny.
35.70. Look on the candle.
Mm-hmm, 7, yeah, okay. Yeah, looking from a little bit far on it, but you know, like that's something that is kind of new, like well, new since Donald Trump. That like those moves get invalidated so easy.
Which move?
Like for example, you see the big move, like right now it's not happening yet. But what I'm saying is like since Donald Trump is there, is that the market really go all the way to the up, all the way to the down, without any compassion? But before that was kind of rare to see that happening like every day. But now it may happen most of the time. So
View up.
let's see if I'm able to get Tesla.
Big selling and view up. Not breaking through. Start from there. Breaking view up.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see my level and then
Okay, now I put the order for Tesla a little bit higher. Like your level's supposed to hold now. That's a clear. Like if you trade below your level, maybe you wanna be out.
yeah.
But your level's supposed to hold. My guy, I'll be back. Just give me a minute.
Hello. Yeah. I got out. Then I took a small lesson. I tried to go back along. There. Uh, I'm still green. 1 hour green. That's it.
Today I will be trading only until 11. I have to go to work earlier to finish something.
Mhm.
But yeah.
I should have take partial one more and one run.
Hmm.
It's okay. Part of the game.
Yeah, it's part of the game, but I don't like it. I think it's not legit, but whatever. Wow, even Google took a big sink of it.
That's crazy. Your fire reaction today.
Yeah. Uh, it may go down a bit more. Like it could go. I have a level there at around 682.50.
Yeah, me too. 682, 55. Like the top two was on one of my range. I could have got the top if I wasn't in the home. My level today are working good. Something that I need to work on
Hmm.
when I get a good trade. I don't think it's the not taking partial. It's more of the taking stop taking partial that soon. That 2 shares that I took at VWAP,
Hmm.
that is a lot of money on the top. I guess. Touching the 50. Touching the 50.
Wow. Did you see went through that level like if there is nothing?
I have another at 682.22.
Hmm.
Where it is right now. Look at the volume. Volume.
Yeah, like what the heck is that?
Nice reaction there. I like it. Wouldn't go long. Alright, the bearish on the footprint again.
Holy crap.
Selling pressure.
Uh, did you see if anything hit the wire, like news-wise? That has to be news. I want it to be out, but I just gotta be breaking even there. Let's see what it wants to do. I think my price, it can reach me where I am at Nvidia. So like, because I average in, like, my price is no, it's good, but it's not out of risk. Like, when I look at the chart, I am inside the prices that is supposed to be testing, if ever. But I'm trying to see if I have any news.
That's bearish footprint again. Yep. Yeah.
I put some risk on it. Very little risk, but I put some risk on it.
There's a Tesla annual delivery fall for a second straight year. Your Nvidia trade is your swing?
That's the overnight. No, it's not a swing, but it's a overnight. But like I add, so I had a better price, but then I add.
Mhm.
And
Is that the same one that you had the 19 arms?
no, that's not the same one. When I had the 19R, like it came down to 10 something. So I got out with the 10R. Then I short INTC and I short Nvidia the same day. And at 3:30 that day, I liquidate both of the shorts. The INTC was very juicy. It was also about 10 hours. And then I flip, like I say that day, I say it in the streaming that I was going to get Nvidia back, and I got Nvidia back at the end of the day to hold it overnight. And next day it didn't do much, but it did something. And like, yeah, I have been buying, selling, buying, selling.
I'm going back long. You think it's a good idea?
I think it is a good idea, but it's like I have to keep protecting myself from the judgment. Is because it's like the problem here is like, you see that stupid flush on a SPY. Like I am looking to see if there is news on that thing. Like, is there a bad news and that's why we are flushing that way? But it could be just like, and that's the part I don't like to say, market manipulation, and then it will go and make a all-time high today or tomorrow.
But you know, like it's at 0%, so it's just
Yeah,
the move in the overnight just got suppressed.
yeah, you're totally right on that one. So
Sometimes we see a big short, but not that big.
yeah, it's like when
Just
people are
looking
looking at
them-
it, it's like, oh, it's flat today, and they don't see
It's just deleting the move from market. Like if I take another one, I'm flat on the day,
Mm-hmm.
but the potential is kind of big.
So you are basically you have like 1 hour, and what you are saying you will
Aye.
be risking 1 hour
Yeah.
about.
Mm-hmm. Gotta wait.
Like something I like. Let's say listening to you, like I see you think a little bit more about your today profit. Like
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it's like
And the calendar, I want to be going every day. That's it. That's the goal.
which is hard to get, you know.
Mm-hmm.
What is INTC doing? Let's see INTC. Like Tesla, of course, I didn't know that Tesla have news today. Yeah, then it went even lower than the original price that I wanted to get. It's okay. I'm gonna leave Tesla alone. I'm gonna try to take maybe INTC or something like that. Let's see what is in play.
I got long
Nice.
on the pullback. Gotta go. Flat on the day if I lose. That's bad because I took a really, really nice trade. Like it's bad that I'm flat if I lose because that trade should have been a nuclear trade.
Which it could be, you know. Technically, you are getting it cheaper right now. If we are right, but we might be wrong too. You know, like that's.
Part of the game.
Oh yeah.
There's really a fight there.
Give a little shot to INTC. So I got some INTC long. Let's see how it does.
Now the footprint is bullish. Yeah. What the hell? Oh yeah. Don't take partial right away. Now there's a big gap to fill. There's a big gap to fill.
Or actually take partial right away and put order to refill your price.
And I'm not good at that. And like,
Because I think you need that peaceful mind of I have some profit.
but let's see. Based on my level, the price before anything can happen needs to go to 683.76. There I'm gonna take order. Because there's a big gap to fill there. without any level.
Right now, I have a long time without researching this or like without being in contact with this, but like there are a couple traders, old traders, like that they say, like they say, let's say for example, they wouldn't go long today until they fill up the gap. The gap is filled up now, so like I see that there is some stability, like there is some real value on that. It's just I don't have right now the reason why that makes sense. So if we start elaborating about it, I'm pretty sure we can get it. But like, is the gap fill up? Yes, it's fill up. So now it should go somewhere else.
And now it's filled up? No.
Yeah, the gap is filled up on SPY because he filled it up toward the downside. So now.
Yeah, but what I mean is intraday.
Mm-hmm.
You see a big candle, like if you go on the 5 minute, the 10-20 candle.
Okay, let's see
is
that.
what gap I'm talking about. La la, my guy. Printing good, like with half the position.
Yeah, the gap I'm talking about is this overnight gap. You see here? Like here?
Mm-hmm.
That space here? You fill it up toward the downside and even went lower. And like, there are people that until this move here happen, until this one happens, they wouldn't take the loan. And that's the thing I say, I don't have support information on that one. No? Yeah, exactly.
So take partial. I'm trying to take partial with limit orders too.
Mm-hmm.
Because you get better prices.
Man, this basement is cold. Like when the girls are here, like it's freezing downstairs. Like, and you go and you tell them, "Hey, I'm freezing downstairs," and they say, "No, we are too hot." It's like, okay.
Okay, there you go. First partial. That was a good one. Like way further than the first. Stop loss to break even. Next one at VWAP or what?
Pretty much double of whatever you have right now at the VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
Watch out, you want to see if he's going to reject the 684.10. So 684.10 is the opening range low.
Like rejecting. So if you're moving against me, I'm gonna take partials with it.
So for this little trade on INTC here, I'm just gonna put a stop loss tighter. Like I had a stop loss that it's not that huge stop loss. It's just I don't have reason why to take a bigger risk than previous low here. So
Okay, I'm so happy today. Like I managed to have 2 good entries based on my level with limit order.
I think it's not based on your levels. I think it's based on your execution.
Yeah, but
you are using those limit orders.
Yeah, my limit is on the levels too. Like it's pushing me to use my level because you don't put a limit out of nowhere.
Yeah. You are not impulsively getting in.
Yeah, like market orders, you just click and you're in. The other you have time to think about it.
La 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 la. Hey, INTC, I got a very nice entry.
Okay.
Let's just see if he wants to print. You do not.
Now I have a good profit for the day.
Nice.
I have 2 shares. I have 3 hours for the day
So you already you have 3 hours in your pocket already.
from the day. From the trade is like 2 hours.
So if you liquidate there, you will be 5 hours up.
Now I pull back a bit, but
What about?
I would be 4 hours up on the day.
Yeah. Ah, la, 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 la. Ah, la, 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 la.
You see it go? Do you see it as a liquidity grab or just like?
The wick is too big in my opinion, but
Do you think it's gonna go lower lows, or it's just taking liquidity and then going higher?
my guy, right now I have no idea. Like, as I have no idea, let's go and look at those tapes. Oh yeah, like SPY. Right now, SPY is trading in high relative volume. That's very, very, very uncommon.
Mhm.
It has 112%. So
First day of the year.
yeah, normally it's between 50 and 70. So
You don't know what's gonna happen.
yeah, it's hard
It's
to
unpredictable.
exactly. It's like the only thing I can predict here is what I'm gonna do with my trade. And basically, it's like I mean,
It's basically gonna go sideways. That's what you can predict.
I don't think it's a sideways day. That I can give you. With those volume, we don't have size days, you know.
No, but they're always going sideways. No? That's the only thing that is sure. On the right.
I'm not understanding you probably.
The only thing that is sure in the stock market is that the price is going sideways.
That it will advance either up or down. Yeah. Yeah,
The
that's
time
fair.
is always
Fair
sure.
enough. Ay, 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 ay.
Let's go.
Like for you to have an idea, Zach, I wouldn't be surprised if Nvidia reached 200 today. That type of volume is the type of volume we are having right now.
200?
Yeah, 200.
100 what?
Not 200, like it's at 180. Nvidia right now is at 190, 150.
Of what?
I wouldn't be surprised if today Nvidia get to $200 per share.
Is the price?
Hmm
I didn't understand because I was on SPY. SPY gets to 200.
On a SPY, it will be to like yeah, you know, my expectation for a SPY is that it will probably go all time high very soon. Let's see what is all time high right now because I don't remember.
My guy, you know this week
All time high is at 691.51. Yeah, what are you saying this week?
I have like if I take partial right there, I have $1,000 a week.
Hey, and you only trade what 2 days, 3 days,
4?
4 days? Okay, yeah, 4 days. Oh yeah, because
No,
the 31st was a complete day. It wasn't half.
And like
Look at that. Somebody jump on a spider. Oh, the bit is getting pulled like holy crap. A lot of blueprint right here, right now. So that's good. That's good.
mhm. Take a partial view up. Then let the other share run.
The VWAP is pretty much right there. You have a couple cents above only. 10 cents and you are the VWAP.
My limit stop is there.
Nice.
I'm gonna start using limit orders to take partial to above. Because first you get a better price. Second, you do the same, like instead of acting impulsively,
Mm-hmm.
you think about what you're doing.
Yeah.
I like it.
Did he give you your partial?
Yeah, my guy. What a day, my guy. What a day.
Let's have more of those. Let's have more of those.
What a day. And I didn't take the short. That was the biggest move of the day. Like,
I think that with time you're gonna stop doing that. Like, you're gonna stop taking both directions because you're gonna be more commit to one direction.
yeah, but that mentality, I don't know. I don't like it that much.
Yeah, you prefer to be flippy.
I prefer, because what you're talking about, and it's good, it's like doing the guy from Trading the World.
Mm-hmm.
The mentality where you get in at a good price, you let it run for the day. I have more a mentality of scalper, that I just take things based on what I see in the moment and just.
And I think if you feel comfortable doing it, it's okay. It's just like for example, I don't think you get mad when you add to a trade. Do you get mad at your price when it gets worse because you had, like, let's say when you have your trade that you have the perfect entry, you have like 684.17, something like that. I think it was. No, 684.17. When you have that perfect entry, and then you go and you add, does that bother you or not?
Kind of, but
Because to me, that's kind of annoying. You know, like when my price was the best and it becomes like sketchy, it's like, I'm not saying that's efficient, like for sure, but like, because who cares? Like a price is just a price. But
what I'm talking about is more like I was saying to you, like I like more taking like let's say I have my levels. I know there's buyer at my levels, and probably there's seller at the level above. So taking the long and taking partial at the level above like, is enough. You don't have to, but like my mentality is I don't have to have
the whole move.
yeah, or a whole day move. Even if the trend is down, if I take a pullback, if I profit out of pullback, it's good to know.
Yeah, I understand.
But for sure, when I need to have an hybrid between that, like, taking partial soon, but still identifying when to hold for longer.
Especially because there are days like the having a good price is like a luxury. So you know, like I mean, it's like there are prices sometimes that you get that you shouldn't allow anybody to shake you out of them because you are sure that they are good. But what is a good price? That's something that with time you will define, like on your own. Like because what is a good price for you is not necessarily a good price for me.
Mhm.
But like,
But for me, a good price is following my rule on my level. Let's say on one of my level, like the best thing would be to add right when you touch my level. To take app when you touch my level, and to read something like the footprint inside the level when you see imbalance or absorption. It's like confirmation. Then you take the other app. That would be the perfect thing. But like the short, it did exactly that. The short,
Mm-hmm.
it was 212K up volume inside the low volume zone. And it rejected once, it went to test it back, then it rejected. So, and that short would have been 17 hours. It's rare that SPY move that aggressive.
Yeah, like that's unusual.
17 hours and like 5 candles.
Yeah,
That's 5 minutes.
if you manage to make 10 hours every day, it's a big chunk a month, you know.
Yeah, but on SPY I won't make that. But like also something that I saw is like you don't need 10 hours per day. You know?
I will say depending your goals, my guy, because like
Yeah,
if it's attainable,
but is it right to think that you're gonna make 10 hours a day? I don't think so.
if your risk is about 5 hour or 7 hour per day, yes, it should be realistic
Per trade, you mean, or per day?
per day. Like if
You
you are
take
okay
five,
doing,
5 right trade of 1 hour.
like what I'm saying here, like if in a day you're willing to risk 5 hours without mattering what size you're using, like your max stop loss, it will be 5 hours, let's say. To make 10 hour, it should be okay. And it should be kind of your target because like
Yeah, but what if you make 5 hours but you have twice the size?
that will be like more scalpish, right?
Yeah, that would be more. I feel like it would be more sustainable. You know?
Mm-hmm.
That's something I saw with that I realized with the funding. That's it. No, like, when you get funded, it's like a game, really.
What you mean?
Like you can double your size like that.
Yeah, but you can double if you have a cushion that is able to handle it.
Mm-hmm. Like it's way easier to double your size than to double
Your profit?
like holding bigger trade. I got stepped up. It's okay. I'll break even.
Yeah, that's really funky. Really funky price action here.
Really short transaction.
I honestly don't think it's a short, but I know it's very yucky.
If it makes a lower low, it's going. That was a nice week, my guy.
Nice. So you kept a very nice profit, that?
This week, I have 960.
Nice.
Last week I had minus 163.
Pretty cool.
The first week minus 268. So you see them getting better.
Yeah. Like your winnings are bigger than your losers, that's for sure.
And now overall I have 53% win rate with a 1.13 profit factor.
Okay. Did the guys say anything? Did they jump back today? Because they're supposed to be trading today, from what I remember.
The what?
The guys from WhatsApp, the group,
Mm-hmm.
they are never that silent, but exactly when you jump in, like they went silent because they stopped trading for the year.
I saw the guy sending the video.
I haven't watched it yet, but yeah, have me a party, those girls upstairs. Ay, ay, ay. Something I find interesting is that the volume on SPY is not going down. And like this volume, like this relative volume, that thing react. Like and right now, for example, if you look even in the thing, oh, it doesn't show there, but there are high relative volume for literally everything. When I say about SPY previously, it was only SPY and Nvidia. But right now you have Nvidia, INTC, Tesla, Amazon, MU, QBTS, everything with very, very relatively high volume. So, is it gonna be toward the downside? Well, I hope it's not. Look at the 5-minute wick that SPY just made right there.
Yeah. Right on the level of the bottom.
Yeah.
I think it's kind of bullish. I won't trade more.
Yeah, if you have good profit, just keep it. Because today is for sure it's a day of a smoky.
Yeah.
Like the way that it was looking before, it's supposed to be a easier day, but it's not. It's looking like very. Right now, even myself, I'm probably gonna go out of the Nvidia. But yeah, let's see. What the
My
heck?
average holding time is 15 minutes 26 seconds.
Yeah, for the strategy that you like, that's kind of a lot.
Mm-hmm. But that means it worked. Because I get stepped out really quick. Like, when I'm wrong, I get stepped out really quick. When I'm right, I'm holding longer. The longer I hold, the longer higher it goes, maybe. Look at those candles, man.
Yeah, it's insane.
In the bottom. Oh man, on top step I have the whole economic events. news. That's nice.
Nice. The volume keep ramping up on SPY too. So right now it went up 5% more. So that's not good. It's definitely not good. Ooh la la. Flushy, flushy. There we go.
I have another level at 681.31. Let's see if it's that one's gonna hold.
I'm out of Nvidia. Super green for the day, but let's see if I want to take it somewhere else.
What are candle spice doing for this?
$88.40.
You know, it's a 7 cent range, into $7 range. Right.
What crap?
Ooh, holding my level quite good. Big bullish absorption at the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
From 681.31 to 681.10.
So I have a limit order to get Nvidia, and I don't want it if it's not at that price. So it's at 188.40. My what I'm bidding for. Right, so I have to wrap it up right there. So, so for anybody watching out there, like we are green today. I basically hold overnight Nvidia. I took partial here and I add, and then I came out here with a little lost. So like trying to get it back at some point. I haven't been able to get it back because yeah, I have a limit order at the price I want. If it doesn't get there, I don't want it. So yeah, green day here, pre-green day for me, and that's Nvidia. Then I took other trades, like I have Microsoft. That didn't work. I'm glad I came out of that. Look at that crap, like it's very low right now. So I had Tesla, and that didn't work either. And yeah, I'm glad I came out of that too. And then I had INTC, and that INTC was a very small loss here, so out of it too. But like, yeah, very yucky day for the market. It's supposed to not look like that, but hey, you know, we just trade the market. It does whatever it wants to do. So at the end, there is not much we can do about it. So yeah, that's it for me. What about you, Saka? I know you trade SPY and you kill it.
Yeah, like right at the 9:31, I went long on SPY based on
Right here. I see.
yeah, I went long on SPY based on my level.
Mm-hmm.
It was still a good entry, but it broke the level right away. Stepped me out. After that, I went long at the best price you could get, like at
184.17.
Yeah, 17.
Right there.
Then I took like I had 5 contracts.
Mm-hmm.
I took two at VWAP. That was a mistake. Like, 2 was too much. Maybe 1 was better, even none. I have
Okay.
to work on that. Then I took 1 at the top. That was pretty
Nice.
good. Then I was practicing holding it longer,
Mm-hmm.
but I should have took 2 on top and just get 1 roll. Like it doesn't make sense to take 2 at VWAP but only 1 at the top.
Okay.
And then I held. I practiced holding for longer, but then it pulled back, so I moved my stop loss to protect myself and just made like a. What's that? I'll tell you how much I made in that trade. So that trade was like 1 hour profit. No, 1 hour. It was like 2 hour. Yeah, it was like 2 hour, and I had a possibility of like 4 on the top. And then I tried to go long around 10:15. I tried to go long on the same level that I went long before,
Mm-hmm.
and it broke the level, so I got stepped out. So now I was 1 hour up on the day.
Mm-hmm.
Then at the bottom at 10:30, I didn't get perfect price, but it was close. I got around 680, 230. And then it went higher. I took partial faster to keep my profit. I took 2 at 10. I took 3 at 10:36, and 1 at the top, and 1
Right here. I see.
at break even.
Nice.
So 2 really nice trade, and 2 attempt to take a trade that didn't work. So
Okay.
overall, pretty good day. I missed that short from the top there,
Mm-hmm.
which was on my level, but I was in a long position, so
Okay.
it is risky.
Nice. All right. So that's pretty good. I'm glad you are doing fantastic. So, yeah, Maurice should be back Monday, I guess. So, I hope everybody have a good day. I hope everybody have a good weekend. It doesn't feel like Friday, but it is Friday. It's like, eh. So, but yeah, let's see how we do. And yeah, we're gonna be back here on Monday. So, have a good day and a good weekend, everybody. Bye.
Yes. Bye bye.